back at it like a crack addict. Yo, Zach, you need to release these new season, you know? Just no. SomaliKeekNation, man. Yo, it's been down. I don't know what's going on. Sahib, deal with it, my nigga. Shout out to him. You don't know.
SomaliKeekNation is honestly one of the craziest things that has happened in the Somali community. And I honestly think that we are going to hit mainstream because of that. Keep doing what you're doing, and inshallah, we're going to hit the big screens.
Entertainment.
They don't wanna fuck with me, better not fuck with me. They don't wanna fuck with me.
Charlie B.
What happened yesterday? And tell me about SomaliKeekNation.
Man, to be honest with you, it was unbelievable, brilliant moments in my life, to be honest. 45 minutes was perfect, mashallah. Because I couldn't imagine that I'm gonna meet you one day.
Me, Zach Salad.
Yes, Zach Salad, exactly.
Subhanallah, oh my god.
So it was like...
Can you tell my friends who take me for granted in London about this?
Mashallah, brilliant.
Thank you.
Mashallah.
Barakallah, you know, it was amazing to meet you too, man.
Finally, I met Zach Salad.
What did you think about SomaliKeekNation when you first saw it?
The first time when I saw SomaliKeekNation, obviously, I got on YouTube.
Yeah.
You know, I was finding Somali and young talents and
Yeah.
stuff. And I saw a video called SomaliKeekNation. And I say, this is new for me.
Yeah.
Let me see it. When I opened the video, the first video of SomaliKeekNation. And I saw all the videos.
Yeah.
And it was brilliant, to be honest. And I said, who made this? Of course, he got a good brain, like it's a brilliant work, you know? It was amazing, mashallah. And I say, Zach. I didn't meet him. I didn't see him before, but he's kind, he's mashallah good. I can see it from face.
Okay.
And mashallah, you go to Somalia and England, you travel into the world, mashallah.
Yeah, I haven't been to Somalia yet. I want to though, inshallah. Imagine taking SomaliKeekNation to Somalia.
Yeah.
On a tour, wow. Wow,
So
that would be,
really,
subhanallah.
mashallah, amazing. Keep your head up.
Yeah.
And never give up.
Never give up.
Never.
Well,
never lose in Allah.
Never lose hope in Allah, that's true.
Never lose hope in Allah. Never.
No, inshallah. I'm looking forward to season 5 of SomaliKeekNation. Are you looking forward to season 5?
Of course.
Yes.
Very excited. Bro.
Very excited.
Very excited.
Very excited. What? You want to? You can't make a video?
I want to, but
are you shy?
I love to, wallahi, but I'm too shy, wallah.
You're too shy?
Yeah.
I get a lot of messages like, oh, I love what you're doing. I'd love to participate and be in an episode, but you know, the way that my family's set up, I'd probably get beat up or disowned. And I was like, yo, it only depends on what kind of content you send in. Because there's so much images and propaganda about Somalia, you know what I mean? Bad pictures, videos of like negativity and stuff. So it's important to balance that out and have, you know what I mean?
That's a part of life.
It is a part of life, and it's my purpose. I kid you not, it's a purposeful thing because I don't get paid for it. So if I'm not driven by money, I'm motivated by passion. So it's a passionate thing for me. Do you know what I mean? So, and that's a fuel that I don't have to pay. You know what I'm saying? It's a tank that just keeps giving. So alhamdulillah, I'm grateful for it, man. I'm very, very, very happy.
They fuck with me now, she fuck with me now. I know it's cause a nigga booming, but she say it's my smile. I'm like, look what the money brought to a nigga right now. She said, look what the money did to a nigga right now. You ain't got no time for me no more, you're always too busy.
So did I get how can we get salams wrong? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wallah, this looks fresh. I feel like I'm looking for more talent and creative individuals out there in the world right now who want to send in stuff for season 5. Ahlan wa sahlan. How do you say take care?
You can say وداعا. أهلا بكم إلى المدينة.
What?
أهلا بكم.
أهلا بكم ومدينة. وداعا. وداعا ولا وقاء؟
وداعا أو إلى اللقاء.
إلى اللقاء.
See you later.
إلى اللقاء.
Yes.
إلى اللقاء. Do you say it with the أهلا بكم إلى المدينة.
Yes.
أهلا بكم إلى المدينة. أهلا. See, I can memorize lines. I can't memorize that. إلى اللقاء.
إلى اللقاء.
You have to say it with the whole.
Yeah, exactly. إلى اللقاء.
Thank you so much, Abdulaziz. Barakallah feek.
Fuck with me now, she fuck with me now. I know it's cause a nigga booming, but she say it's my smile. I'm like, look what the money brought to a nigga right now. She say, look what the money did to a nigga right now. You ain't got no time for me no more, you're always too busy. That's the only thing I heard when I started chasing money. It's so funny, spent a couple racks and sacks, but you don't want me to go and make it back. I'm out of town trying to make these nips, and you calling me while I'm making flips. Baby, stop stressing my phone. You know I'll soon be home.
I'm honestly so excited for season 5 because I know it's only gonna be bigger and better, to be honest. If you have like friends or family that have no idea what SomaliKeekNation is, get them on it, show them videos, send them the links, get them on it. Yo, SomaliKeekNation gang, we're going big, inshallah. Big ups, wallahi.